Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Audio Rain Books. I am very happy to share with you. If you like this audiobook, please subscribe and support my channel and leave comments. Let's move on to the book.
43 Best Positive Quotes Will Make You a Positive Thinker. Are you looking for some motivational quotes to become a positive thinker? Then find here some positive quotes. When you think positive, your hand does positive work, your foot does positive work. You don't worry too much about difficulties, because you face these difficulties with your positive thoughts. Instead of worrying about what others think, you listen to the voice of your heart. You look for the good in every situation, you focus on your dreams. So you need to be a positive thinker. We will help you here with 43 positive quotes that will make you a positive thinker. Positive quotes to become a positive thinker. Read the below positive thinker quotes if you want to think positive in your life. 1. Positive thinkers focus their minds on the future. They are never complacent about where they are. Israel Moore Ivor. 2. Positive people think possibilities even in difficulties and failing situations. Israel Moore Ivor. 3. When the brain thinks positively, the hands work positively, the legs run positively, and the individual becomes a positive wholesome entity. Israel Moore Ivor. 4. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. Roy T. Bennett. 5. Follow your heart, listen to your inner voice, stop caring about what others think. Roy T. Bennett. 6. Never lose hope. Storms make people stronger and never last forever. Roy T. Bennett. 7. Let the improvement of yourself keep you so busy that you have no time to criticize others. Roy T. Bennett. 8. Surround yourself with people who believe in your dreams, encourage your ideas, support your ambitions, and bring out the best in you. Roy T. Bennett. 9. Always remember people who have helped you along the way, and also don't forget to lift someone up. Roy T. Bennett. 10. Positive thinkers create large pictures of what they want in their minds and can predict the future from the present. Israel Moore Ivor. Best motivational quotes to be a positive thinker. Get the below positive quotes collected from various authors that will help you to become a positive thinker. 11. Positive people know what they are about to do and why. Because of this, when they are being haunted by the premature quest to give up, they focus their minds on the joy of accomplishing their pursuits. Israel Moore Ivor. 12. Positive thinkers look for the good in every situation. In times of difficulty, they can find many opportunities. Israel Moore Ivor. 13. Positive thinkers use sentences like I can do it, I am qualified for it, they think of things as possible. Israel Moore Ivor. 14. Positive thinkers never allow fears to intimidate them because they have seen themselves succeeded already. Israel Moore Ivor. 15. Positive thinkers always affirm blessings on themselves and see themselves as legitimate heirs. Israel Moore Ivor. 16. If you want to become a positive thinker, don't think lack, think abundance, for you and for everyone. Dream big, as bigger as the blue ocean. Become aware of your thoughts and you will be aware of yourself. Israel Moore Ivor. 17. Become a positive person by seeing the bigger picture of whatever you dream of doing. Dream big and act big. It's your time to have a bigger image of you. Israel Moore Ivor. 18. You have to change your thinking if you desire to have a future different from your present. Germany Kent. 19. Be positive. Stay happy and don't let the negativity of the world get you down. Germany Kent. 20. The taste of unconditional happiness can never be achieved without the ingredients of positive thinking and interpretations. Edmund Mbayaka. 21. The more positive you think, the earlier you will discover opportunities and the easier you will overcome obstacles. Israel Moore Ivor. 22. Turn your obstacles into opportunities and your problems into possibilities. Roy T. Bennett. Short positive thinking quotes about life lesson. Know about life with the help of the below positive thinking quotes. 23. Don't wait for things to happen. Make them happen. Roy T. Bennett. 24. Whatever you set for yourself, you can achieve it. Layla Gifty Akita. 25. Good people see the good and bring out the best in other people. Roy T. Bennett. 26. Beliefs are choices. First, you choose your beliefs. Then your beliefs affect your choices. Roy T. Bennett. 27. Never allow anyone to stop you from pursuing your most cherished dreams. Layla Gifty Akita. 28. You gain control over any situation with a positive outlook. Layla Gifty Akita. 29. The truest and noblest gift for yourself is personal development. Layla Gifty Akita. 30. Go forward and conquer any mountain on your path. Layla Gifty Akita. 31. Failure is a teacher. It teaches what you ought to learn. Layla Gifty Akita. 32. Hope is the passion to receive your heart's desires. Layla Gifty Akita. 33. Whenever you encounter any fearful situation, there exists a great possibility for you to triumph only if you be willing enough to conquer the fear. Layla Gifty Akita. 34. Miracles happen every day. You have to open your heart, mind, and soul to see these miraculous encounters. Layla Gifty Akita. 35. Don't waste your time being envious of what you don't have or who you want to be. Instead, focus on what you do have and who you can become. April May Monterosa. 36. Every challenge you face today makes you stronger tomorrow. The challenge of life is intended to make you better, not bitter. Roy T. Bennett. 37. If you face the light, shadow will always be behind you. Sukant Ratnakar. Best inspirational quotes and sayings to be a positive personality. With the below positive thinker quotes, you can become a positive personality. 38. An entrepreneur is born when a person has more reasons to drive his dreams against his excuses. Sukant Ratnakar. 39. When you stop blaming others for where you are in life, That is when you can start to manifest your dream life. Stephen Richards. 40. With every challenge you face, there is an opportunity hidden that will lead you towards the path of wealth and abundance. Stephen Richards. 41. Distance yourself accordingly from negative people because they will drain your positive energy. Germany Kent. 42. Once you believe that you can do something, there is not a single person in the universe who can convince you otherwise. Germany Kent. 43. You have to first dream and take the first action towards realizing the dream, then all other resources will be attracted to you for the achievement of the dream. Layla Gifty Akita. Final words. I hope you like the above. Positive quotes will definitely help you to become a positive thinker. Don't forget to mention the best line that you liked most from the above lines in the comment box below.
Thank you for listening this audiobook. I am very happy to share with you. If you like this audiobook, please subscribe and support my channel and leave comments. Have a nice day. Bye bye.